Hello and welcome everyone. In this video tutorial, we will understand how we can install Python in our Windows operating system. So in this video tutorial, we will first see how we can download Python in our operating system. Then we will see how we can install it. And in the last, we will understand how we can basically check if Python is properly installed in our operating system or not. And currently for this video, we are focusing on working with Windows operating system. So let's first see how we can download Python in Windows operating system. So for this step, I will open any of the browser. So currently I am using Chrome browser. You can use any of the browser of your choice. So here we simply need to type download Python and hit enter. And you need to open the very first URL that shows the download Python, and it is the official download page. So here you can see the URL of this page also, python.org/downloads. Now from here, if you want to download the latest Python version, you simply need to click on this button that shows download Python, and this is the latest Python version, that is 3.11.5. So I will simply click on this and it will ask me to save my file. So I will click on save. This will start the download. Now once the download has been completed, I will simply open this file in my file explorer and I will double click on it to run this setup. Now before we move forward, we first need to tick mark this option that shows add python.exe to our path. So this option will basically allow us to interact with Python using our command prompt. So I will tick mark this option and then I will simply click on install. So this will start the process of installing Python in our Windows operating system. So once the installation has been completed, we will get this message, that is the setup was successful. Now we can simply close this application. Now let's see how we can check if Python has been properly installed in our operating system or not. So for this I will use my command prompt. So I will simply use the shortcut Windows+R, and in the run setup I will type cmd and click on OK or simply hit enter. Now once you open the command prompt, to check the Python version, we will simply type this command, that is python space --version. So here you can see it has returned the version of Python which has been installed. So we downloaded the setup for 3.11.5 Python version. So currently in our system this version has been installed. Now another way to check is we can simply type Python in our command prompt and hit enter. So this will basically run the Python shell in our command prompt, and here also you can see the version of Python, that is 3.11.5, and to exit this Python shell we simply need to type exit and hit enter. Sorry, we also need to use parenthesis with the exit. So I will simply type exit with parenthesis and hit enter. So I am back to my command prompt now. So this is all for this video. Thank you so much for watching this video, and if you really like this video, you can subscribe to our YouTube channel. Moreover, if you want to suggest us some topics, you can mail us on the given email ID, that is codr.help@gmail.com. So thank you so much for watching this video. We will see you in the next one.